Hello everyone, Ranjitha here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a fun, easy and quick DIY project for your Diwali. Yes, we will be making water candles. These make beautiful Diwali decor and will brighten your house and also beautify them. Before we move on further, please subscribe to my channel and tap on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. So let's get started. The supplies are very simple. You need some beads or any filling material. I am using beads, pearls and some stones, some sequins which were lying around. You can absolutely fill your candles with anything that you would like, some wicks and any good glass containers. You will also be needing a waste plastic sheet which is slightly thicker. I am using this plastic sheet from a food container. I am tracing out the diameter of my glass and I will be cutting a sheet of the plastic. Make sure that this plastic sheet is slightly smaller than the opening diameter of your glass. It need not be perfect. A rough circular shape of the plastic sheet is all you need. Now I am marking the center of my circular plastic sheets and I am piercing a hole into it and slightly widening the hole so that my wick can pass through it. This is just a supporting system for your wick so that your wick doesn't sink into your candle. I am now piercing the wick into the plastic sheet through the hole that I have pierced just now. Making sure that 1/3 of the wick is on one side and the remaining on the other side of the plastic sheet. Now fill in your glass containers with some stones, pebbles, beads or artificial pearls. You can absolutely fill it with anything of your choice, anything that is readily available at home, because this is a DIY project and we don't want to spend too much on this. You can also fill it with artificial flowers and leaves, or even some glitter will do a great job. Once you have filled it with pebbles, fill it with water up to 3/4 of the glass container. I will be now adding some food color to this water just to add some more beauty to it. You can absolutely skip this step. You can also add watercolor if you do not have food color. I just wanted my water to be a little colored so that the candles look much more beautiful. Now I'm adding some lamp oil to this water. You can absolutely use any oil of your choice. Remember, the more oil you add, the more longer your candles will be lit. Now after this, I'm carefully inserting my wick along with the plastic sheet into this oil and water mixture. Make sure your plastic sheet is sinking into the oil water mixture, because you don't want your plastic to catch fire once you light up the candles. That's it, your DIY water candles are ready. It is a very quick, easy and fun project. You can always make your kids also do it. All you need is some random stuff lying around the house to fill in your candles. And that's it, your Diwali decor is ready. You can see the close-ups here. I hope you liked this video and will definitely give this project a try. And I hope I was of some inspiration to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you get more such crafting and card making videos. And also do follow me on my social media where I share my projects with you. The links are given in the description box below. Thank you.